how to reconnect on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. And Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu on the upper right side, okay, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you can tap this. Here in settings and privacy, okay, you can see here the preferences section. Here in preference section, you can see the content preference. Okay, you can tap this. Here in content preferences, you can see here the reconnect. Okay, you can reconnect with people, page, and group you unfollow. So you can tap this, and now you can reconnect with people in group to start seeing their post in feed. So you can see here the list of people you unfollow here. So okay, you can scroll down for more, and also you can search here on search bar. So for my example, I follow the MacBook Air user Philippines. Okay, to follow this or reconnect to this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the follow button on the right side of this to follow or reconnect on this group or people. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully reconnect on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.